To address the error and provide a comprehensive guide, we first need to identify what the error is. For this example, let us consider a common error many users face: the blue screen of death or a system crash. Step 1 is to identify the cause of the error. This can be done by analyzing the error message that appears on the screen. The error message usually provides information about the nature of the problem, such as a driver issue or a hardware failure. Step 2 is to restart the computer in safe mode. This will allow the computer to boot up with minimal drivers and programs, which can help to isolate the cause of the error. To do this, restart the computer and press the F8 key repeatedly until the Advanced Boot Options menu appears. Step 3 is to update the drivers. Outdated drivers can cause system crashes and errors. To update the drivers, go to the Device Manager, expand the categories, and right-click on each device to check for updates. Step 4 is to run a virus scan. Malware can cause system crashes and errors, so it is essential to run a virus scan to detect and remove any malware. Use an antivirus program to scan the computer and remove any detected threats. Step 5 is to check for disk errors. Disk errors can cause system crashes and errors, so it is essential to check for disk errors. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator and type the command checkdisk to check for disk errors. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the error, and prevent it from happening again in the future. It is also essential to maintain the computer by regularly updating the operating system and programs, running virus scans, and checking for disk errors to prevent errors and ensure the smooth operation of the computer.